afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Elephants of Asia. Now, elephant presentation is gonna begin right about now. As you can see, our elephants are ready, but the question is, are you ready? I'm sure you can do better than that. Come on, are you ready? All right, let's go. Side by side, we've met for over hundreds of years. Once again, everyone, put your hands together to welcome our elephants and their mahouts. Now, once again, a very good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ruth. Now, let me introduce you to our elephants and their mahouts. Now, starting from the right, we have Jati with Mahout Rama. Now, next we have Intan with Mahout Paul. Now let's start again, alright? Now all the way to the left, we have Aprilla with Mahout Aidil. And to her right, we have Gambe with Mahout Adea. Now next we have Intan with Mahout Paul. And last but not least, we have Jati with Mahout Rama. Once again, welcoming you to our elephant presentation, Elephants at Play. Weighing up to at least 4,000 kilograms upon being fully grown, sometimes even more. But despite being that heavy, these elephants have an excellent sense of balance, as we have Aprilla demonstrating that to us by walking on that very narrow tree log. Now she's impressing us even further by making a half turn, also doing that backwards. Now as you can see, these elephants have massive foot, but the cracks and ridges on the soles of their feet allow them to have a good grip when climbing steep hills, cliffs, and even mountains. Now for those of you with your cameras, keep them ready, as Aprilla is going to give you a nice pose. Almost done. Now she's moving backwards to impress you even further. Now the pose is coming in just a bit. For those of you with cameras, once again, keep them ready. There we go, a two-footed salute by a three-ton elephant. Thank you, Aprilla. Now elephants like Aprilla can easily weigh up to 3,000 kilograms, but our mahouts on the other hand will never ever weigh anywhere close to that. But let's watch as our mahouts effectively guide these elephants by using very simple vocal commands. Now give me a moment, let me get to our mahouts for you. Now good afternoon, mahouts. Good afternoon. Now mahouts, can we have our elephants move backwards, please? I'm sorry, turn to your right, please. Right, nicely turn to your right, and the left would be just the same. Now how was that, everyone? Are you impressed? No, mahouts, I don't think the crowd was impressed. Okay, let's try something a little bit harder. Can we have our elephants fly like Dumbo? Yes, fly. Okay, that's the spirit now. The propelling of the trunks, flapping of the ears, one full round, and what happened to the takeoff? They don't fly on weekends. Of course, we're just kidding, everyone. Now back to some simple vocal guidance. Once again, now mahouts, can we have our elephants move backwards, please? Now simple vocal commands from our mahouts, and these elephants move backwards and forward would be just the same. Now clumsy mahouts dropping the anchors, but not to worry, our elephants to the rescue as they pick up the anchors and return it back to their favorite mahouts. Well done, ladies. A nice salute for everyone right in front. Now the elephant's trunk is the most versatile limb in the animal kingdom, consisting of at least 50,000 intertwined muscle units. Now with a trunk as strong as that, these elephants can pick up something as heavy as a log, and something as delicate as a coin, Mahout Adea. Now Mahout Adea will now drop the coin onto the floor, and we will have Gambe pick it up easily using the tip of her trunk and return it back to her favorite mahout. Well done, Gambe. Well done, Mahout Adea. But I think that was a bit too small. Can we try something a bit bigger? Okay, the hat. I think that's a good idea. Now he drops the hat, and Gambe, once again, she'll pick up the hat and she will try to put it on her mahout head this time around. Same technique. No. Gambe, not your head. It's not gonna fit. Alright, another technique. Now Gambe, this time around, she's going to suck up the hat. Now watch closely, everyone, as she walks slowly towards her mahout. For those of you, the cameras, keep them ready. Now she walks slowly to her mahout, takes perfect aim, and places it on her mahout's head. Tap, tap, tap to make sure it's in place, and the pair exchanges handshake and words of thanks and appreciation. Of course, for being very patient, mahout, a nice elephant kiss from a 27-year-old. How lucky can you get? Now with that said, let's move on with the show. Take a good look to the back. We have... What's wrong, mahout? Why doesn't she want to continue the show? Okay, let's ask her. She's pointing to her mouth. The kiss was for her reward. A nice juicy apple for being so kind. Gambe, thank you once again, ending the segment on a high note. That's Gambe and mahout. Now take a good look to the back. We have Jati elevating herself as she steps on that stump. She reaches out for the comb of bananas. Now elephants in the wild are known to reach out for fruits or even leaves that's not easily accessible to other elephants. Well done, Jati. A nice reward for yourself. Now of course, these elephants are extremely strong because of their size. Now take a look center stage. We have Aprilla using just her hind legs to kick that massive log into the water. Now African elephants are known to be much larger, but these Asian elephants are up to show that they are just as strong. Now how about a round of applause to keep Aprilla going? A few more kicks and... Okay, Aprilla, one more. And into the water it goes. Once again, well done, Aprilla. How about a nice salute for everyone in front. Thank you, sweetheart. Now also because of their massive size, these elephants' strength is unfathomable. Now once again, we have Intan and Aprilla center stage, this time around using another technique to show us how strong they are. Now in fact, they're not empty-handed. Both Intan and Aprilla each have a coconut with them. And for this segment, you might just want to prick up your ears and listen up to this. It's one down by Intan and down by Aprilla. Once again, everyone put your hands together for Intan and Aprilla. Now also take a good look to your right and to your left. We have Intan and Gambe up for some friendly competition. Using the massive strength from her head and trunk, she pushes that log into the water. For those of you not catch that, take a good look to your left. We have Gambe, the same technique as well. Well done, ladies. Now these elephants have not finished their jobs. In fact, they're going to go into the water and drag those logs back onto land and into position. Now meanwhile, while they're at that, let me just share with you a little bit more about our elephants here at the Singapore Zoo. Now, earlier on I was mentioning about Intan. Now she's our 20-year-old elephant. In fact, she is the half-sister of Aprilla, you see right here in the water. Now both of them came from Indonesia. They share the same father, but different mothers. Now to your left, we have Gambe. She's our 27-year-old elephant. Now in fact, she's the sweetest among our herd. In fact, she was brought out back then to meet people and even young children. Also all the way to the back, we have Jati. Now Jati is our oldest elephant. She's 31 years old. And also she is in the making of becoming the new matriarch for the herd. Now with that said, Aprilla is almost done. How about a round of applause to cheer her on, everyone? Gambe is almost there as well. A few more pushes and it's up onto the land. Well done, Aprilla. Give Gambe a little more time. If you gotta go, you gotta go, alright? Now just bear in mind that elephants in the wild, they travel miles, giving them a form of exercise. What you see here in the Singapore Zoo, the kicking, the pushing, is actually a form of exercise for our Asian elephants. With that said, I think that Gambe is ready to push that log back up onto land. Now also apart from these forms of exercises, our mahouts also arrange for painting sessions or many other activities to act as physical and mental stimulants for our infants. But once again, Gambe is almost done and back up to land much easier. Now take a look to your right, a bit more maneuvering to do as she makes it along back up onto the ram, and well done, ladies. Now after all that hard work, I think it's time to tone it down a little bit. Now what we're gonna do next with our mahouts are gonna show us how people in India and Sri Lanka use very simple tools to estimate the size of wild elephants. Now center stage we have Jati and Gambe and Mahout Udaya and Rama. Now they're using a long rope and a stick. What they're gonna do, they're gonna take the rope, outline the circumference, outline the front foot of the elephant to get the circumference of that foot, double it out, and to make sure it's pretty accurate, they're gonna try that one more time from the top of the shoulder blade all the way down to the bottom front foot. Let me check with our Mahout how tall our elephants are. Now Mahout Rama, how tall is Jati? 2.6 meters. And Mahout Udaya, how tall is Gambe? Gambe is 2.4 meters. Now pretty accurate actually. Now of course, being that tall, how do our mahouts get our elephants to lie down on their sides during their daily scrub down at their elephant bath? Now we're gonna get our mahouts to just use one simple word to get our elephants to lie down. Now let's try that. Now Mahout Rama, can we get all our elephants to lie down with just one simple word? One word. Let's try that. Now our mahout uses the word Hida, which means lie down in Sinhalese, and our elephants will lie down in no time. Now we have Intan, Gambe, Aprilla on the ground, and one more elephant to go. No. Mahouts, why are you clapping? No, all the elephants, not... Yes, I need Jati to lie down as well. All 4 elephants. Can we get Jati to lie down, please? What's wrong? Why doesn't she want to lie down? How about you try to give her a reward? It worked with Gambe. Do you have a reward? Okay, a nice juicy apple. I hope... Careful with your carrots there, Mahout Rama. No, she doesn't like the apple. Oh, she throws it into the water. I think it's too small as well. Let's try something a bit more appealing. Mahout Udaya, can we try to give her the bananas? Yeah, I know it belongs to Gambe, but we need to get Jati to lie down, you know. Can we try to give that to Jati? Okay, there. Careful! Clumsy Mahouts at it again. So now how? No apple, no banana. Do you have any other fruit? Okay, one more spare fruit. Let's see what fruit we have for Jati. I hope she lies down. A nice juicy watermelon. I hope that does the trick. Let's see, Jati, you want the watermelon? No, apparently she doesn't want the watermelon as well. I think we have no choice. How about we try her favorite fruit? Durian! Jati's favorite fruit, durian. Do you have the durian, Adil? Paul, do you have the durian? Ate the durian. Paul ate the durian. What to do now? Not going to work. Why? Twigs, leaves and branches. Let me ask her. Jati, all you need is twigs, leaves and branches to lie down. Yes, indeed. I think that's all she needs. I hope that does the trick. Are you going to lie down now, Jati? Okay, now... Yes, she's almost down to the ground. She places the twigs, leaves and branches on the floor. And... what is she doing now? Oh, natural behavior. Dusting off the insects and the sands on the twigs and branches like we fluff our pillows. How clever. And now what does she want? I think we should reward her with a nice fruit for being so kind. And right after that, lie down, Jati. Thank you, sweetheart. Now with that said, we need to end the show. We need to get all elephants back up on their feet. Once again, we have Aprilla, Gambe, and Intan. And again, why is Jati on the floor? We need Jati to get up as well. We need to end the show. Yes, Intan, harder, get her up. Harder. No, I don't think that's working, Intan. Again. No, she's just putting her to sleep. So now how? Okay, let me help you. I'll help you. Okay, come. Ladies and gentlemen, clap your hands, stamp your feet, scream, shout, make some noise. We need to get Jati up on her feet again. Mahu Rama, are you okay? Intan has an idea. What is her idea? Okay. No, I don't understand what she said. You also don't understand. So how? Okay, let's ask Aprila. Good idea. Aprila, do you understand? No, Aprila also doesn't understand. Why? From Malaysia? From Indonesia? Language barrier? We need to try a common language. Yes, a common language so that everyone understands. Okay. Now you understand, Aprila, but I don't understand. No. We don't understand. No. What is Intan trying to say? Okay, Intan will show us. Let's see what's Intan up to. I think I know what she's gonna do. She walks towards the water, sucks some up, and aims at Jati's face. And up she comes with a wet surprise. Once again, with that said, we will have to end the show. And no, Jati, up, Rama, Jati. Of course, she's just kidding, everyone. Now it's time to end the show, but before that, I think our elephants have something to say. Let's listen up to this. Now, nicely done, ladies. Now, this elephant presentation will not be possible without the relationship between our mahouts and the elephants. Once again, give it up for our elephants and the mahouts. Now, before you go, please do join us for our elephant feeding session happening right here at Central Hut D, where I'm standing at. Now, once again, for just a small contribution of $5, you can get a chance to feed our elephants right now. Once again, come on down to Central Hut D. Unfortunately, we have a limited number of baskets. So if you do miss this feeding session, do come on down at 4:30 for the next feeding session. With that said, on behalf of everyone here at Elephants Asia, our elephants Jati, Gambe, Aprila, Intan, our mahouts Hidayah, Ideal, Paul, and Rama, our soundman, and myself, Ruth, thank you very much for joining us at Elephants at Play.
要看看呢，开小灶。到了一桌吃饭都小面条。
我怎么这样子？干活那个。
这个力气最大好像，这西瓜你看留着。奶奶能把声音出来的最大，刚才起来不干那个。不动地方。伸手能想起来，伸手。
这个4块10个怎么的？
中间那个搁这举着的，手一直举着的鼻子，有点
可以唱吗？
太要。